Okay, 7th standard students, we will continue the first chapter, nutrition in plants. In the last class you have seen plants prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. This is the figure which shows how plants prepare their own food, and the process called photosynthesis is shown here on this picture. See, a plant is, you can see in the picture, a flower is there and leaves, two leaves you can see there. The leaves contain green pigment that is called chlorophyll. It is written there, see. And sunlight is there. The sun is giving light. That light is falling on the plant. The leaves absorb sunlight. That is what the meaning. See, down you can see soil. The plants grow in the soil. The soil contains water and minerals. When the rain falls, the water enters into the soil. The soil sucks the water. The roots of the plant, they absorb water from the soil, and the water is sent in the upward direction to all parts of the plant. So with the help of sunlight, water and chlorophyll, already there is a green pigment in the leaf. This pigment is called chlorophyll. It helps the plant to prepare food. Carbon dioxide gas is there. The atmosphere contains carbon dioxide. From where this carbon dioxide plant will get? They get from animals and human beings. What animals and human beings breathe out, that air is carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is helpful for plants to prepare food. So photosynthesis means plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, water, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide. In this process, the food is prepared by the leaves. After food is prepared by the leaves will give out oxygen. See, animals and human beings give carbon dioxide to plants. Plants, after preparing food, what they do? They give out oxygen. This oxygen enters into the atmosphere and it is helpful for all animals and human beings. We breathe oxygen, isn't it? Without oxygen we cannot live. This oxygen we get from plants. So this process is called photosynthesis. The sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water which is there in the soil, all these include and they help in the food preparation by plants. So plants prepare their own food by a process called photosynthesis. See, oxygen is released into the atmosphere. After food is prepared, oxygen is released. This oxygen is helpful for animals and human beings. See, you can see in the picture, I have written on the board. Food prepared by plants is carbohydrate. See, what type of food the plants leaves prepare? They prepare carbohydrate. It is also called starch. The leaves store this starch in them. So the food, where the food is stored? The food is stored in the leaves. Some plants prepare their food and the food is stored in the roots, like carrot, potato. Some plants, they store food in the stem, like sugarcane. Sugarcane, they store food in the stem. We eat sugarcane, no? The food is stored in the stem. Nitrogen absorbed by roots from the soil. See, after carbohydrate is prepared, plants also prepare protein and fats. How proteins and fats are prepared? with the help of nitrogen. There is plenty of nitrogen in the atmosphere, but plants they cannot absorb directly nitrogen from the atmosphere. Then how they do this? The soil, what there are useful bacteria in the soil. Those bacteria they convert this nitrogen, insoluble nitrogen, into soluble for plants to absorb this nitrogen. And with the help of this nitrogen, plants synthesize proteins and fats. Proteins mainly contain nitrogen. So this nitrogen they use and they synthesize proteins and fats also. This is all about plants, how they prepare food. Carbohydrate is the main food that the plants prepare. That is also called starch. Remaining we'll do in the next class. Until then, revise these points and by heart these points. Thank you.